Hello students, in this video we are going to learn 4 important poetic devices. The first one is assonance. When you answer questions based on poetry, you must know this. First one is assonance. There are 5 vowels in English: A, E, I, O, U. Out of the 26 letters of the alphabet, we have 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U. Remaining 21 letters are consonant. Now let's see what is assonance. If a letter, that is, if a vowel is repeated in consecutive words that come one after another, but not in the beginning. See this example. Here we will see one vowel is repeated 3 times. I, will, in, fire. Out of these 3 words have I, but here it is in the middle, here it is in the beginning, here it is also somewhere in the middle. So if a vowel is repeated somewhere in the middle, not in the beginning, remember, here it is in the beginning, but everywhere it should not be in the beginning. If vowel is repeated in words that come one after another, it is called assonance. See this example, I. It is repeated. Now let's see the next one. It is consonance. I just told you 21 letters of English alphabet are consonants. Take this example. This is a line from a poem. See, day I had root. See, D is what? Consonant. This consonant is repeated, but here it is in the beginning, here it is at the end, here it is at the end. So minimum 2 times. If the consonant is repeated in the same line, if the words should be in the same line, and if the consonant is repeated, it should not be in the beginning everywhere. Here it is in the beginning, here it is at the end, here it is at the end. This consonant or consonant sound is repeated in the same line minimum 2 times. Maximum it can be many times. Then it is called consonance. Vowel is repeated, it is assonance. Consonant is repeated, it is consonance. This is the example of consonance. Now next important poetic device is anaphora. Let's see what is anaphora. Now anaphora is what? If a word or 2 words are repeated in the beginning of lines that come one after another. See these are the 2 lines from a poem. See, here it is some say. Here is the second line of the same poem and same 2 words are repeated. Some say. So when 1 or 2 words or maybe more words, they are repeated, when a word is repeated in the beginning of lines of a poem, and if those lines come one after another, it is anaphora. Now when I explained assonance and consonance, what did I say? That they should not be in the beginning of the word in the same line. One is in the beginning, it's okay, like in, here day. Why it should not be beginning everywhere? Because if it is in the beginning, it will be another figure of speech. It will be alliteration. It can be vowel also and consonant also. There is no restriction, there is nothing like that as far as alliteration is concerned. So alliteration is what? Take example. See this first line of the poem. Some say. S in the beginning of this word. S is there in the beginning of this word. So it is alliteration. I hope these concepts are clear to you. I made this video on request of a student. I forgot his name, but next time I will remember. You can also make such request and I will make that video. That's all for today. Bye.